Superstorm Sandy could impact IT sector revenues this quarter by under 1%, according to analysts. CT now spoke to. Remember, Indian IT companies do have a majority of their revenues from the US, and they've also been stepping up their local presence in recent quarters. Let's take it across to Chandra Ranganathan, who joins us for more details from Bangalore. Chandra, firstly, help us understand on what assumption is this estimate based on hit of under 1%?
The assumption is based on the fact that there will be fewer number of billable days this quarter because 2 working days have already been lost because of Hurricane Sandy, and it could perhaps take many more days before all the companies really get their feet back on track in the US. And considering the fact that all IT companies get at least half of their revenues from on-site, and a majority of this in turn comes from the US. Also, if you look at financial services firms and healthcare firms, most of them have their operations on the East Coast in the US, so their main clients in a sense will be impacted because of Hurricane Sandy. So clearly the impact this quarter is going to be 0.5 to 0.7% of the revenues. We did write into all the top companies. They said that it's really too premature to comment on what sort of impact this would have, but they don't really foresee a material impact because they have put in place business continuity measures to ensure that there's minimal damage because of this hurricane.